Hello, hello, hello. Realized I did not go in here and record the lesson. So let's come in here. Sorry, I actually did the lesson. My brain is, it's what happens on, we do not do perfect. We make mistakes. That is an important lesson to learn. Today is Friday's lesson, which I forgot to do before and got away with me. So I'm going to do it now. Today on Friday, you are solving problems by comparing. Let's get into our place value chart. Our first numeral you're going to find is 9. 9. Now keep in mind, if your child already understands this and has mastered these numerals or these numbers, then I want you to pick 3 numbers that will challenge your child to their level. You can pause this and then move on afterwards. So create the number 9. Creating the number 9, you're going to use the ones cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes. I never seem to grab these. Let's see. That is the number 9. One more would make a 10 stick. And then everything would be gone in the ones and we just have a 10 stick. If we made 10, right? So one more than 9 is 10. Now I want you to create the number 5. How would you create the number 5? Creating the number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway to 10. Now, how would you create this? One's tricky. May be tricky for some and maybe tricky for most people or may not be. I don't know. We have to figure it out together. Again, I'm going to keep on trying. So number 17. 17. How would you create the number 17? 17 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because you have a 7 in the ones place and a 10 stick means 10 of these 10 of these 1 cubes that have been put together to make a 10 stick. 1 10, 7 ones. 17. Let's move on. Today, we're going to be talking about solving word problems that involve comparing. Here's some of our key academic language. Key academic language is really important because you'll find these predominantly on tests and in word problems and such. So addition, subtraction, equal, fewer than. Fewer than usually ends up in word problems. You'll see those a lot in word problems. Equation, left, how many are left? Oops, I can spell. How many are left? That's just a subtraction. Plus and sum. Sum, when you're talking about sum, you're talking about addition. So you want to make sure your child understands these words because it will help them more so in math throughout the years. Live lesson in your materials, you want to make sure you have what you need. So if you're using whiteboard, awesome. If you're going to use manipulatives, wonderful. If you want to decide to use a notebook or scratch paper or whatnot, go and get those now. Pause the recording and go get them. So our spiral review, the spiral reviews are checking to see understanding. So you want to go through these with your learning coach. Pause me and go through all of these. How many flowers are there in all? In all is another key word. What does in all mean? Here's your direct instruction if you want to go deeper in from the Envision Math. So pause these as you go. Here are some guided instruction from the workbooks. Pause them. Just going to say the word pause. 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 Keep in mind, you have the exit ticket, and then from here, you can go take the quiz or the test or quick check in your lesson. Here's the exit ticket. And if you want to go on to the Flex Your Brain, you're more than welcome to do that. Pause. Flex your brain. Keep in mind the words in bold are usually specific to understanding those are key vocabulary words that you want your child to know. So pause. And last but not least, pause. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully this is helpful, and we'll get started on doing these more frequently next week. And I think I have a new system that one of my amazing 5th grade teachers has shared with me, which would make it easier to check in to let me know that you've used and you're utilizing these and that your child will get house book points. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.